So hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about SOUN stock and the key levels to watch September 18, 2025. In previous trading session the stock formed a bullish candle. So the first key resistance level is 15.54 dollar. If the price breaks above 15.54 dollar it could test 17.03 dollar. The key support level is 13.78 dollar. If the price goes below 13.78 dollar it could test 12.64 dollar. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.